Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. Slightly different video, as you may see from the title. It's the Show Us Your Steak Challenge. This started out over across the pond in the UK with Haze Outdoors, and it's to raise awareness for men's mental health. And I think it's very important challenge. A lot of men do suffer from mental health. Some of the biggest mental health issues that are being covered is depression, anxiety, but there's way more than that. Eating disorders, PTSD, and these are all issues that, yes, men and women do contend with. Say 1 in 5 men suffer with some sort of mental health problems, whether it be bipolar or depression or acute anxiety or even social. Myself, I suffer from ADHD. Also, I suffer from anxiety and depression. In high school, I had a buddy who committed suicide. Nobody really knew that he was depressed, and you're in high school, so you don't really learn much about it. It was the first day back, and we found out that he committed suicide. I met a bunch of buddies in a bar that I went to school with and found out that one of the buddies that wasn't there, the reason why he wasn't there was that he also committed suicide. Myself, about 4 or 5 years ago, I think it's that long now, but I wasn't in a good headspace at the time. I was in a job I didn't like, relationship ended. In my mind, I hit rock bottom. And a buddy of mine saw that I was supposed to be at work that night, and I got let go a little bit earlier before, and I figured that was it. I was done, and he was going by, seeing that I was supposed to be somewhere else at that time and not in my apartment. He saw the light on and movement up in the apartment. He figured something was wrong, and something was wrong. I was getting ready to, he stopped, said, "Hey, let's go for a drive," and brought me to get help. But things do get better. I know at the time, when you're in that space, it doesn't seem like it can't get better, but it does. It did for me, and it did for a lot of other friends. A few years later, I met a great woman, as you all know on my channel, Jill. Ended up getting a job I like. Recently opened up WoodPigeon Outdoors here, and it's been going up and up. With that said, I saw this challenge going around and figured I'd like to take part in it and let people know that yes, there is help out there. Now, I'm going to leave some links down below, but some of the big things, if you are in that sort of mindset, is talk to someone. I know it's going to be hard, and you think it's just you, blah blah blah, but talking to someone does help. Surround yourself with a support system. It could be just friends, it could be family, it could even be a dog or cat, and there's other people that you can talk to if you don't want your friends and family to know. There's therapists if you can afford a therapist. You can talk to clergy members of the church. If you're not religious, that's fine. There's so many other options out there. But before you decide to take that step, you feel free to look for help. Even if it's just me, if you want to come and talk to me, somebody that's been there, you can do that as well. And there's so many other people out there that you can talk to. It all just starts with a few simple words. That's how we're supposed to tag. I think it's 3 people. So I'm gonna tag Stephen Bowie Ford from hiking. I also would like to tag BURNWOOD BUSHCRAFT. Alright guys, so that's my show your steak challenge. I know it's not really a bright and happy video, but men's mental health is not always roses and rainbows and out in the trees and the mountains. So with that said, until next time guys, stay safe out there.